Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today we are doing what I said I was going to do last week, fix the dead cylinder on number 2. The cylinder on number 2 is not doing anything. Fuel is coming to it because has to be. So it's either the fuel injector or spark plugs or ignition coil. I mean spark plug wires or spark plugs. But I put new spark plugs in it, so it's not spark plugs. So I went and bought some spark plug wires and an ignition coil. So do the easy stuff first. So let's pretty much take off the spark plugs and see if that fixes that. If it doesn't, then we'll put on the new ignition coil, whatever. But yeah, let's see if we can get 2 running today. Okay, so it sounds like she's running on all 4. To be honest, it sounded like a ride knockish, I'm not gonna lie. At this point we're just gonna send it because next comes the mega squirt and then it's gonna get turboed. So I mean, it's gonna blow up either way, so it might as well go up in a blaze of glory. Next video, I'm gonna be putting on the front suspension and might drive. We're putting on the front suspension next. But yeah, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I guess the spark plug wires did fix it. It sounded like it was running on all 4. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.